Underwater welding of supporting pipes of an offshore oil rig platform. Knocking down a large brick wall by pushing it with shovels. Smoothing work of a large quartz crystal stone ball. Amazing. Shifting the parts of a big excavator through rope connectivity in the valley. Workers pushing a truck using long wooden logs on a mountain road. Removing a big chandelier by cutting it into pieces with a gas cutter. Incineration process of burning the waste at a dump yard in the combustion chamber. Planned and controlled demolition of a sky-high chimney tower. Astonishing. Taking out the rubbish that was stuck inside of a large pipeline. Amazing forklift vehicle unloading the big rolls of paper from the truck. Testing work of a gas pipeline system for leakages before fixation. Unloading of potatoes from a stock point with high-pressure water jetting. Big crane lifting an excavator up and placing it on the building roof for demolition work. Coating of metal structures by immersing in a bath of metal zinc. Multiple excavators breaking a heavy beam of a canal bridge. Incredible. Opening the blow-down valve to safely depressurize a section of gas pipeline. Long queue of vehicles to collect fuel in bags from the storage points for transportation. Checking of high-voltage substation insulator for conductive defects with tester. Loading of heavy large balls into the truck. Interesting. Split hopper barge dumping the mud soil into the seawater. Operating with the support of other two excavators. Launching of bamboo flat boats into the water for fishing. Dumping of coal from the bucket tipping rail mine wagons. Surprising. Releasing a large fishing net with floating balls into the water. Dropping a large concrete block that has been cut.